How to edit or add phone number from Discord. So let's get started. First of all, open the Discord app or Discord web browser according to your preferences. The process is same for both of it, so you can follow these instructions as well. So now what you have to do is tap on the settings option available right next to your username and navigate to your Discord account settings. Now once in there, you will get to see phone number option available here. So as you can see, I have not added any phone number in my Discord, but if I did, then you'll get to see edit option available right next to it. So what you have to do is, if you don't have phone number, tap on the add and add it. And if you do not, and if you already have added your phone number, then you'll get to see edit option right like the email up there. And all you have to do is edit your phone number, or you can also delete it according to your preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.